시작은 뭐 즐거웠었네.
Stop. Anyway, she's vlogging now. We're here. Why am I so excited?
I ordered.
It's the first time trying kimchi. Look how pretty it is. You could like sit here. We got fried dumplings. She got kimchi. Hi. We got fried dumpling. She has kimchi dumpling. I said fried dumpling. Yeah, we got 2 fried dumplings. She has kimchi dumpling, and I have cheese dumpling. I said cheese dumpling. Cheese ramen. Okay, I'm getting too excited. That's why. Oh my gosh, the dumplings are here. And they're freaking playing K-pop freaking music. Oh my gosh. They're playing G Friends New Comeback, Sunrise. And I'm flying. What am I doing?
I'm having trouble.
I'm dead.
Okay, I got it.
Is it good? It is? Okay, I'm trying it now.
It's hot. Purple.
That was good. I'm happy. Like seconds later, the freaking kimchi already came here. It's a kimchi, I mean the ramen. I'm getting too excited. Oh. Yeah,
Oh, my
kimchi on
friend
the
is there. I
side.
love this. I've never actually tried this before.
Try it.
Woo, this is hard.
Is it spicy? Is it spicy?
It's not spicy, but it's really good.
Ooh. Oh, that was spicy. Oh my gosh, I did not expect it to taste like that. So good, right? Look at the bowls they put it in. It's just beautiful. I have cheese, she has kimchi. And it's kind of spicy. She's just like dying over here.
But it's good.
But it's good. Get the eating action. I'm towards the light, so you might not see.
Mukbang.
Mukbangs, exactly. ASMR. Yes. I love it, I love it. We still have kimchi left. We finished the dumplings.
You finished your kimchi.
Yeah, I finished my kimchi. It tastes good with the cheese.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love.
We're here. We just came from what was it, Asian market?
Asian market, yeah.
Yeah, we got mochi. We got ice cream mochi for Alicia because she hasn't tried it.
Yeah,
I tried
never
it.
tried it. Ooh, it has powder in it and everything.
I know. And we also tried. We got the regular mochi. Look how beautiful. She got the vanilla flavor. And we got chopsticks. She has chopsticks.
Ooh, I want to pick out.